Okay everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc video. This time we talk about how you can take nice photos for your Etsy listings. Now, what are some things you should pay attention to? Now, at first, what you need to do is to get inside of your camera, obviously, and the first recommendation that I would actually give you would be to make sure that you are further away from the subject that you probably think that you'll need, right? So you don't post a very close-up photo of your product. You want to make sure that you are further away. That is to ensure that you have the ability to crop the image in, to adjust it accordingly, so you make sure that it fits properly. So make sure to leave out space across or around the actual subject, around your item, to make sure that the cropping is there. Of course, there are some things which you can also do on your phone, because if you scroll through the options here, you can also get a square photo as well, but I'm not really a fan of that for Etsy, because the correct aspect ratio for Etsy photos is 4:3. So this type of photo is going to be okay. Then when uploading the photos to Etsy, you can use the actual crop tool to crop the images perfectly, and that's why it's a good idea to have enough room around the actual subject. So this is something I would 100% recommend you to do. Besides that, you should also pay attention to the lighting, because of course, for example, right now I use a softbox. So if I took a photo or this video without the light, it would look much worse. So 100% pay attention to the lighting. Make sure that you use natural lighting, and if not, try to use something like a diffused light which doesn't create harsh shadows. This is essentially the best practice for taking photos of basically anything, right? So you should 100% keep that in mind. Then of course, you are limited with only 10 photos for your Etsy listing, so make sure that you showcase your product in the best light and also from all of the angles, and show all the important parts of it, because you don't get unlimited uploads. So yeah, then it's up to your creativity. There isn't much else which you can do. You can of course just do the basic stuff, like make sure that the camera lens on the backside is clean and everything, but this is obvious for taking photos. So these are the tips which I would have for you before you take photos for your Etsy listing. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out until then.